Hi, this is a quick walkthrough of the Data Explorer in PowerSearchConsole, the most advanced reporting tool available for Google Search Console data. So the Data Explorer contains over 60 filters, sorting and threshold options, making it really easy to create your own reports. And I'll quickly walk you through it. So first of all, on the top left, there is like a date selector, and you can, instead of 7 days, which is the default, you can look at monthly data. Let's switch to January because February is not complete yet. And always we show trends versus the period before by default. If you want to compare January 2025 versus, for example, January 2024, maybe you have very seasonal keywords, you sell winter products, for example, you can just go here, compare it, and you can change same days last year. You can also compare against all preceding days. Very useful to find keywords that rank for the first time if you use it in combination with thresholds. Or you can compare against any custom period. Then you're looking at queries by default, but you can look at pages, you can look at devices, you can look at countries. Now let's say I'm looking at a page. Let's say here, fine dining. There's like an advanced view here as well. If I want to see more, I can just click queries up, and then you can see the queries for that page in the Explorer as well, because it automatically applies the filter. If you want to have a look at combinations, so now queries and countries, for example, for this page, you just go to combinations, and here you have queries and countries. You can sort this table. By default, we always sort by the top clicks, the highest number of clicks, but you can sort by impressions. There's a whole lot of different ways to sort by impressions, CTR as well. Here there's all the sorting options available as well. Thresholds are quite powerful. Maybe you want to find keywords with at least 100 impressions, for example. You can just set 100 impressions. And you can also set thresholds for the comparison period. So maybe you want to find queries that have 100 clicks now, but less than 100 clicks before. Or you can also do by the change. So maybe a percentage decrease in clicks or increase in clicks, or maybe an increase in CTR or in average position. So there's a whole bunch of threshold and filtering options available, as well as filtering options. And actually filtering is quite advanced. You can easily select the countries you want to look at. You can combine multiple countries. You can't do that with Google Search Console. But you can, let's say, if you want to look at Germany, Austria, and Switzerland together, for example, because you want to look at the German-speaking market, no problem. Just add multiple countries. If you want to filter by device, you can. Sections are already listed here. Your top pages, you can just very easily click and apply them as a filter. Your favorites as well. And then there's queries where you can filter by number of words, for example, for long tail keywords, as well as for questions. The filtering is quite advanced. And all of this allows you to be very creative. We already support 45 plus reports out of the box. But if you want to create your own reports, this is the tool to do it. And if you want to save those reports for later use, you can simply just save it. Save report up, and then it's available here. So then always you can just find those filters again. Quite powerful. Finally, there's also export functionality. So you can export all your data into Excel. It's a comma-separated file that you can import into Excel. So that's the Data Explorer, the most powerful, I believe, tool that's out there for Google Search Console data. If you want to use it, sign up for Power Search Console. It's included in your 7-day free trial. Thanks.